Hey, this is BrickTsar. Today we're going to look at a Lego train set. This is the Lego City passenger train. It's a remote control train, and it's one of the recent Lego train sets, and I wanted to show it to you. This is mine. I bought this used and only had a couple of missing parts, and I just got the parts and I got it ready to go, and I'm going to show you how this thing running. Make it go forward and backwards. It uses infrared to make it go, using this controller here. You speed it up, you can slow it down. Slowing it down. And then you can stop it by pushing the button. And you start up again, just that way. Or you want it to go the other way. Once it gets going, you usually gotta hit the button to stop it. Oh no! There we go. Infrared controllers in that front engine there. Yeah. So let's take a look at the figures you get. You only get 3 figures with this set. Alright, here's the first minifigure. It's the engineer. He's got his nice little jacket and tie. Got his beard going and got his burgundy hat on. No printing on the back. It's the engineer. Then we got our female passenger with her Indiana Jones backpack and a smirk on her face. I don't know why everybody's smirking. She's got a little star pattern on her tank top and just plain white pants. But her purse looks like Indiana Jones satchel, except it's tan. And then our other traveler is the man. And he's got a nice little button-up Hawaiian shirt. I like that. I like that shirt. And he's carrying his suitcase. He's ready to travel. There we go. So that's the only 3 figures you get. And here's the front engine. It's the powered unit. The back engine is just a dummy. Looks similar. And you can put the engineer in the cab. It's got a console there for him to operate it. And he just sits in his little blue chair right there. He's ready to go. And the windscreen comes down. This is sticker, another sticker. And there's the Kanto, thing for the electrics. I always want to say Canterbury, but I think that's a place in England. Anyway, it is pantograph. It's the pantograph. All right, and this is where the batteries and the motor is located. I mean, not the motor, but the battery and the infrared receiver is located. And you build this little part here. There's a green button on the battery box to turn it on and off. See, I turned it off. So they put this, and it fits through the hole on the roof so that you can push it on and off without opening it. And there's the infrared receiver. So sometimes if you get out of the line of sight, it doesn't operate as well. And that just sits down there. Oh, let's see. I don't think there's nothing else in there. That's the front car. And then the middle car number 2, has just a couple of stickers on it, but there's not a lot inside here, just the chairs for them to sit and a hole in the floor. I don't know why they didn't do something to cover up that hole. The passengers can fall right onto the tracks. But they made the roofs where they come off real easily, like that. So that's the middle car, and then the other end that looks like an engine, but it's not. It's got the same design. You can put an engineer in there. This front opens, and this comes off as well. And you got a few extra seats in there. And they even designed it to look like the infrared controller right there. but it's not. It's just a dummy unit. It's got the pantograph as well. Alright, so that's the train. Pretty simple train. It's not an elaborate design like the Horizon Express is. And here we got our passengers waiting on the station platform. It's got a little diagram of the available trains going to Berlin, Madrid, Moscow, Dublin, London, Boulogne, Paris, and Rome. I think that's neat. It's also got a signal here. I think I put an extra round tile, green and not tile, but plate there. And you'll notice this track here, it's the flex track. I'm not a big fan of the flex track. It was a way of where you can make different slopes, because Lego track only comes in one radius. So they come out with this flex track. You can do a different radius, but I just put it here in a straight section here at the station. And really not much to the station. So this overall, this is a really simple set. It's not as detailed as some of the Lego train sets, and even some of the older train sets have a lot more detail than this. But I got it in a lot with a lot of other stuff, and it was complete except for just a handful of parts which were easy to replace. And here's the infrared controller again. So did I turn it on? Can't remember. Go over here and push the button. Now let's try it. Technical difficulties here. What did I do? Yeah, let me see what's happening here. Make sure this thing's coming on. I don't think I was pushing it in far enough. Yeah, that's what it was. When I took the roof off, oh, now I can't stop it. Get it back over here. I took the roof off. I didn't put the piece, the little tan piece. I didn't have this in there properly, so it wasn't going all the way down. And we can just make this thing go backwards. See if I can change the direction without stopping it. Sometimes it doesn't work right. Here, it did it that time. That's just way too fast. Oh, I knocked my signal over. I wish the Lone Ranger train had power functions, but it didn't. And it didn't even have a way to convert it to power functions, but this already has the power function. I think once I get it going, it's hard to slow it down. There it goes. There, I was able to do it without pushing the button that time. But that is it, the 7938 remote control Lego City passenger train. It had 4 manuals, and each one shows you how to build the station and the signal, and then one for each of the cars. So not a lot to it. It's still available at Lego Shop at Home here in April 2013. So don't know how much longer it'll be available. Not one of my favorite Lego train sets, but I do like the power functions because some of the trains they have don't come with the power functions. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my Lego train 7938 passenger train. Alright, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching BrickTsar.